Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 2.6. First question, expand the following by using binomial theorem. In that first subdivision, 2a minus 3b the whole power 4. First we'll just write the formula. X minus a the whole power n is equal to nc0 x power n into a power 0 minus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into a power 2 plus etc. Your middle term is ncr x power n minus r into a power r plus etc. plus your last term is ncn x power 0 a power n. So this is your last term. Okay. So how to write your formula is minus is there, means just put alternative plus minus. Now your n is here. So starting with your nc 0 x power n and a power this value. So a power 0. Then your next one is minus. Here if you are writing nc 0 means then you will have to go to nc1 second one. So nc1 x power n minus 1, this and this you will have to subtract it and write it in the power. Okay, so x power n minus 1 and a power only this value, so a power 1. Now going to your next term plus, since your term is here it is nc1, so the next one will be nc2. Okay, next x power this n and minus 2, so n and 2 you will have to subtract it, so you will get n minus 2, then a power this value, that is a power 2 plus etc. This is your middle term. Okay, so ncr x power again n minus r, this n minus r is in the power of x, then a power this value, so a power r plus the last value will be ncn x power 0 a power n, because if you subtract n minus n it will become 0, then a power this value, so that is a power n. So this is your binomial formula. Okay, so now we'll just substitute it here. So here your x is equal to 2a and your a, in the place of a you got tb, then your n is equal to, in the place of n we have got 4. So now just substitute in this formula. So in the place of x we have got 2a. Okay, so 2a minus, in the place of a you have got 3b, so 3b the whole power, in the place of n you have got 4, so which is equal, that will be your question. Okay, now you will have to start your right hand side. So nc0, n is 4, so 4c0 x power n, x is your 2a, power n is again 4, so you can put your 4 over there, a is your 3b, then whole power 0, so you can write your 0 because here you have got 0, so just replace it over there. Next minus, this minus as it is, nc1. Okay, so 4c0 we have started, so next one will be 4c1 2a power, this is 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3, again here a. Okay, so a is your 3b power this 1, so 1 over there. The next term will be, since you have got minus here, put plus. We have finished 4c1, the next one will be 4c2 2a power, now you will have to subtract it, n minus 2, 4 minus 2 you will get 2, next is 3b and this 2 you will have to write it, so 3b power 2. Your next one is minus, since you have given plus here, put minus. 4c2 is finished, so next one will be 4c3 2a power 4 minus 3 is 1 into 3b power, this 3 you have to replace it as it is, so power 3. Next is plus, 4c3 is finished, so 4c4 again 2a power 4 minus 4, so it will become 0, then 3b power, this 4 you will have to write it, so that 4 over there. So till you get your 4c4, we are starting with 4c0, till you get 4c4 you will have to proceed it. Once you have finished writing, just check your power, children. Power should be 4. Okay, n you should replace your n over there in the power. So 4 plus 0 you will get 4. For your next term, 3 plus 1 again it is 4. For your next term, 2 plus 2 again it is 4. Here 1 plus 3, again you will get your n is equal to 4. Here 0 plus 4, so that is equal to 4. If you are replacing a power 4, then what you have written is correct. Okay, so you can check it according to that. First we will just solve all the NCR format. Okay, so that is equal to 4C0. So here I have just written the formula, that is NC0 is equal to 1. You would have studied these formulas in your combination. So NC0 is equal to 1. In the place of n we have got 4. So 4C0 will be 1. Okay. So 1 into 2a power 4 into 3b power 0 minus, so 4c1, again get back here, nc1 is there, so value is n. So 4c1 means answer is 4. So 4 into 2a the whole cube into 3b the whole power 1. So you can leave it as 3b. Now 4c2 is there, so I'll just write it here, 4c2, 4 into 3, 2 values. Okay, since 2 is there, so write 2 values divided by starting from 2. So 2 into 1. So this and this you can cancel, you will get 2, 2 3s are 6. So your 4c2 is 6 into 2a the whole square into 3b square minus 4c3 is there. So 4c3 is still 3 terms, you will have to go down. So 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. This one you know to do it. Okay, so 3 and 3 will go, 2 and 2 will go, so you will get your 4 into this 2a, power 1 is there, so you can leave it as 2a into 3b the whole cube. Now your last term, this part, 4c4, again get back here, so ncn is equal to 1. So we have got 4c4, that value will be 1 into 2a power 0, 3b power 4. So the next step of solving is equal to, I will just go for solving. Here 1 is there, 2a power 4, that is 2 power 4, again a power 4. 2 power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times you will have to multiply, you will get 16, a power 4, 3b power 0, anything to the power 0 you all know it is 1, any number to the power 0 is 1, so 3b power 0 you will get it as 1. Next minus, this 4 is there, 2a cubes, that is 2 cube, again a cube, so 2 cube will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, into a cube is there, so write your a cube as it is. Here 3b into 3b plus 6 into 2 square will become 4, a is there, so a square, again 3b square. Okay, so 3 square you will have to do, so 3 square will become 9, b square. Again next is 4 is there, into 2a is there. Now 3b cube. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 3 you will get 27 b cube plus your last term is 2a power 0, again e power 0 is 1, so you can replace 2a power 0 as 1, already 1 is there, again one more 1 will be there, so just write 1 1, 3b power 4. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 you will get 81 b power 4, so which is equal to 16a power 4 into 1 is there, so the same term will be replaced here, minus 4 into 8 into 3, you will get it as 96a cube and 1b is there, plus 6 into 4 into 9, you will get it as 216, 1a square is there and 1b square is there, then minus 4 into 2 into 27, again that is 216, 1a will be there and 1b cube is there, plus your last term is 1 into 81, you get 81 b power 4. So this is the answer for your first question, first subdivision.